Peace to this house. Welcome to our channel. I'm Brother G. And now let's get familiar with the Catholic Handbook of Deliverance Prayers. So, this handbook is with revised edition with 12 new prayers. So, it's a Catholic Handbook of Deliverance Prayers. And now let's look look into the table of contents. So as you can see, you know, we have the introduction and then the definition of terms. So we're going to make videos, okay, upload videos about uh, for each topic, okay. For each of these definition of terms, we have the exorcist. What is the exorcist? What is deliverance minister, okay, and then the possession. What is oppression? Demonic obsession, infestation, and then we have the rules for deliverance of persons. So we have some general rules for discernment, some general rules for the victim, guidelines for the deliverance session, after deliverance session, then deliverance session prayers. Okay, we have prayer for protection. Imo ni tanan sulod daghang igsood actually ang kaning maong handbook. We have protection, prayer for protection for a deliverance session, prayer for inner healing, prayer to renounce occult and non-Catholic beliefs and practices. Mao ni siya kanang na kay mga superstitious beliefs o mga non-Catholic beliefs i-renounce, no? In front of the tabernacle, in front of the um, kaning adto sa adoration chapel mas mayo, no. Then act of consecration to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, act of consecration to Christ through Mary, consecration prayer of Saint Loy Marie de Montfort to Mount Mary, in which baptismal vows are renewed. Then we have consecration to the Immaculate Heart of Mary by Saint Pope John Paul II, the Memorare. Then prayer to break seals and consecrations. Mao ni kanang mga gipangsilyuhan sig adtong mga kuan, mga faith healer, no? Then prayer to break curses and spells. Tagabaw sa to ang example pagpanarbaho, no? Pangtunglo sa mga kuan diha, gikasayaan, sinahan or na mga nangasuko. So mo ni mga curses, no? So naay prayer to break ana nga mga curses. Labi nag ikaw nagbuhat jud kag mga kuan, no? May mga suko nimo. Oh, daoton, no? So money, nay prayer para i-break na siya. So then we have prayer to break unholy ties. So kuampon ni siya nga mga kaliwatan nga na ay mga bati nga kaagi, no? Sa mga kaliwatan gipang tunglo ana mga unholy ties. Prayer to of deliverance, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually ang ipagamit lang sa laity is ang kanilang 1. Prayer of deliverance 1. Kay kaning 2, 3, 4, labi ng 4. I think sa pari na siya. Exorcism prayer of Pope Leo XIII, pari iya po ni. Then healing of body, mind, and spirit. Prayer for physical healing. Cleansing prayer. Importante kini after deliverance. Kita nga mga deliverance minister, labi na mga head of the family, mga papa, after sa deliverance prayer, yung kuha ni siya, i-appeal ni siya, dapat ma-mention, ma-recite po ni siya. Then cleansing prayer for deliverance minister for cleansing, kuha ni siya, other option. Then Te is Latin, prayer of praise. Doon pa nga ang mga mga evil spirits hadlok na sa mga prayer of praise. O siguro mag-praising, no? Importante kayo. Then rules for deliverance of places and objects. Na po diri some general rules for discernment of a place. Kinahanglan sabton sa og napag mailhan nga na infested ang usa ka lugar. No? Guidelines for deliverance session. After the deliverance session, infestation of an object, then prayers of for places and objects, we have prayer of blessing for buildings, prayer to ward away spiritual disturbance, entrustment of the home to Mary, help of Christians, a prayer for home troubled by evil spirits. So then wala napod angel prayers, prayer to Saint Michael. We have one, two, three, four options. Then prayer to Saint Michael, five, four, five, four options. Then prayer to Saint Michael the Archangel, that prayer to Saint Michael for protection. Then we have prayer to Saint Michael, the Archangel, then Saint Michael prayer, prayer to Saint Gabriel for intercession, prayer to Saint Raphael for healing, guardian angel prayer, one, two, three options. Then we have prayer for protection to the holy angels. Then Marian prayers. We have a prayer to be blessed to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Napoy duha ka options na. Then August, Queen of Angels, consecration of the sick to Our Lady. Ay mga ipamatis lawas, no? Consecrate. Consecration of the sick to Our Lady. Napoy mga pila ka options. Two options. Then spiritual warfare prayers. Daghang kay sulod, no? Gamay ra kay handbook pero grabe sulod. Prayers, pinigana. Prayers. Prayer to our Lord Jesus Christ for deliverance from evil. Prayer to our Lord Jesus. Prayer against every evil, prayer for freedom from curses and protection, deliverance from evil spirits, prayer to take authority, prayer to defeat the work of Satan, spiritual warfare prayer, prayer for a spiritual canopy, prayer for deliverance. Then we have supplementary consecration prayers. Consecration to three divine persons, act of consecration to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, prayer to the Sacred Heart, consecration of the family, consecration to the Blessed Virgin Mary for the closing of the occult third eye. Okay. Then, ancient exorcism prayers, kanina sa pare, exorcism prayer by Saint John Chrysostom, exorcism prayer by Saint Basil the Great, and blessing of sacramental sa pare gyapon ni siya. Okay? We have blessing of salt, blessing of water, blessing of oil, blessing of medals, of Saint Benedict, blessing of candles. Then we have checklist of the occult and esoteric. So, ang kanideng kuan, mention diri nga blessing of sacramentals. So, according sa base sa ato ang pagtuon, sa gingon ni Father Darwin nga once pwede na siya gamiton bisan dili exercise ang pare pwede ipabasa lang ni nindot og namoy nani then ipabasa sa pare using ani nga mga prayers aron nga ang kaning salt, water ug oil uban pang mga religious items mahimo na siyang holy and exercise salt, holy and exercise water, holy and exercise oil, so on and so forth. So, naadali mo na yung mga rituals using the rituals of the church. Blessing of oil, blessing of water, blessing of salt. Basahon na siya sa pari, a priest. No? Then, blessing of needles, candles, crucifix, exorcism of candles. Okay. Then, mo can imagine, mo to'y sulod. And then, kani siya, ang price, ani, naranis mga, more or less, mga 300 pesos. Worth it kayo ang, nani sa St. Paul. St. Paul. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and God bless.